The Great New York Pizza Debate. Zoya, a spirited young woman, had just moved to Brooklyn, New York to start her internship. Her roommate, Liam, was a native New Yorker whose defining personality trait was his fierce loyalty to New York-style pizza. One evening, Zoya, who grew up loving Chicago's deep dish, ordered a slice of classic thin crust for dinner. Liam stared at her plate with theatrical disapproval. "You're holding it wrong," he declared. "You have to fold it. That's how we conquer the grease and the size. It's the New York fold." Zoya, amused, took a giant, messy bite without folding it. "Nope. In my book, if you can fold it, it's basically a soft taco. Where's the structural integrity?" Liam gasped. "Structural integrity? This isn't a bridge, Zoya. It's dinner. Thin crust, the perfect sauce-to-cheese ratio, that's structural genius." The next day, their entire office became involved in the debate. Zoya defended the hearty, casserole-like nature of deep dish, while Liam led the fold or fail campaign for the thin, foldable New York slice. Their boss, Ms. Chen, a kind but very serious woman, finally stepped in. "Enough. This weekend we will have a pizza peace summit. Zoya, you bring the best deep dish. Liam, you bring the best thin crust. We will settle this once and for all." Saturday arrived. The office kitchen was loaded. Liam presented his slice, dripping with oil and ready for the famous fold. Zoya rolled in a massive, piping-hot deep dish, nearly a foot deep in cheese and sauce. Everyone took a bite of each. There was silence. Finally, Miss Chen cleared her throat, holding a small plate. "The verdict is, both are amazing in their own way. The deep dish is a full meal, a glorious commitment. The thin crust is perfect for a quick lunch, a classic. We should celebrate the diversity of pizza, just like we celebrate the diversity of this city." Then she pulled out a box from her bag. "But for me," she said, pulling out a slice topped with pineapple, "nothing beats a Hawaiian." Liam and Zoya looked at the pineapple-topped pizza, then at each other, instantly united by a common shock. "Okay," Zoya said, grabbing Liam's thin crust slice and folding it expertly. "Maybe we can agree on one thing. Pineapple does not belong on pizza." Liam